How to buy Solana. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can purchase Solana. So for this, there are various exchanges where you can purchase Solana, and the exchanges are Binance, Maxi, DigiFinex, Coinbase, Kraken, BingX, and so on. The biggest market is on Binance. You can purchase it from Binance or the other exchanges as well. Now let's see how we can purchase it from Binance. Just log into your Binance account, and after that go to this section called trade, and then you can either convert your current crypto that you have, whether USDT or any other crypto, to Solana by just going on to this section called convert. Over here just select the crypto of your choice, and at the bottom just select Solana. Let me select any other crypto over here, then type the amount for which you want to purchase. Suppose I want to convert 18 of NTRN to Solana. So this way I will be able to see that I can purchase 0.209 Solana this way, and click on preview conversion and convert. Or you can also set the limit at which you want to purchase. And in case if you want to go and trade on a spot wallet, then just simply click on this option of spot. Now search for Solana in the search bar. Just type Sol and you will be able to see all the pairs with Solana. Now select any of the pair using which you want to purchase. Suppose you have USDT and you want to convert that into Solana. Just select Sol USDT pair. After that, scroll down. And over here you can see that you can purchase Solana. Here you can see the price. In case if you want to change it, suppose I want to purchase or set a limit order for 92. I will just type the amount, type the price, then type the amount for which I want to purchase Solana. Suppose I want to purchase 5 Solana, so I will just type 5, and after that I can see that how much USDT it will be requiring. It will require 460.8 USDT. Then I just go with buy Solana, and this way you would be able to purchase Solana, and that's how you do it. And you can follow the similar procedure on other exchanges as well in order to purchase Solana. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.